What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Thank you for all the love and support on our channel. We made it to 400 subscribers and I would like to thank you for that. Guys, we're on the road to 500 subscribers, and at 500 subscribers we will give away the official Absolute Rebuilds hoodie. And of course, a clean one, not a dirty one like this one. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and we will pick a few subscribers who will get the Absolute Rebuild hoodie since the winter is coming and you need to stay warm. Okay guys, then we continue with today's video. Today we need to take care of our Beetle again. As you can see, this has been in a crash and unfortunately the wrong paint has been used to paint up this bumper. So we need to take care of that. We've also got a few issues with the locks, with the windows not going up and down. So that's also something that we need to take care of. But first we're going to take care of this old bumper. And we thought it would be nice to make it a DIY, so you people at home can do it also. We first want to do this job with the compressor with a 2K coat, but we thought it would be fun to use Rattle cans as well, so you guys can also see the result with using Rattle cans and you can do it at home. So what we did already was give this butt of this Beetle a nice wash. What we're going to do now is take out the rear light, take off the license plate light as well, take off the grille, the fog light and the backup light as well, so we can have nice access. And the thing that we're going to do then is sand this complete area so we can paint it and blend it in with the rest of the vehicle. So we got a lot more to clean before we finally can get to buffing. So we got her inside. Now it's time to mask off the area, then get ready to buff. Okay guys, so we will first start with this very nasty piece to see how she will turn out if we sand her. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday evening we already got a ton of work done. As you can see, there are no more cracks visible right here. If you zoom in here, there's still a spot that we need to take care of. Here as well. But we were out of sandpaper. We got some brand new sandpaper as well, so it's time to get our hands dirty and continue with the sanding job. Okay, so we sanded down the complete rear bumper. Now it's time to get it all cleaned up. Make sure that there's no grease anymore, no more water. And then we can mask up the complete area and get ready for paint. Okay guys, so we masked off the complete car. All that's left to do now is turn on the diesel heater so the temperature can rise a bit here. Then we do the final degrease session with a little bit of thinner so there's no grease or anything on the car. And then she's ready to get some paint on her. Okay, so the diesel heater has some problems, so that's something that we're going to fix first. We found the problem of our diesel heater. I think something dropped in storage, so there's a bit of a dent here. And that dent came against the fan, so that's why it wasn't running. Quick fix. Okay guys, so we shooted the first coat of gray and we are not very happy with the results. We're still seeing the cracked paint underneath the first layer. So what we decided to do is let the paint dry, get some new sandpaper, sand out the uneven parts and get some different paint, more professional paint. I tried to do it with paint which is easy to get for everybody around there, but we noticed that the coverage of the paint isn't great at all. So we decided to level up, go for a bit more professional paint. So hopefully we can get it in the morning, sand it down again and try to shoot on the second layer. Okay guys, so it's the next day and it's time to pick something up. We also changed our plans for the Beetle, but we will be back in a few. So look who finally decided to show up after almost 3 weeks of holidays. She's finally back. So what we're going to do is throw on the new pulley tensioner, throw in the new belt, then head home and continue working on the Beetle. Hopefully she fires up, guys. Fingers crossed. She runs. Everything looks okay. It's time to pack everything, get home, get back to the Beetle and start sanding. Okay guys, so we took care of all the masking tape and we got the complete wrong color. We got the complete wrong color from the part shop. As you can see, it's a complete different color of gray. So I think something went wrong despite of not being clear coated. Anyways guys, we're going to sand the complete bumper down since the masking of the aerosol can is horrible. What we're going to do is sand everything down. Tomorrow we go to an automotive paint shop. We will take the gas cap to get an exact matching color. Then we will do everything once again, but then using compressed air. Okay guys, so we already mentioned it in the title. Rattle can versus a paint gun with the air compressor. And guys, you really need to do it by air compressor, because unfortunately our paint started working again. So the day after we sand it, we even need to sand it more and more and more and more. So we have the perfect surface to get the new paint applied on. But we're not going to bore you with that. So unfortunately guys, this is the end of this video. We will continue working on the Beetle, so next week we can have it all nice and painted. Also fix the other bugs in this bug. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video. And also make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below, because at 500 subscribers, the hoodie is coming to one of you guys.